In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the online banking services with Google and PNC Bank. If you're looking to manage your finances from the comfort of your home, understanding how to efficiently use these platforms is key. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by accessing the PNC Mobile online site. To do this, open your web browser and type PNC Mobile Online into the Google search bar. Hit enter and you should see a list of results right in front of you. Look for the official PNC Bank link, it's usually the first one on the list, and click on it. This will take you directly to their online banking page. It's a great idea to bookmark this page for easy access in the future. Once you've reached the PNC online banking homepage, you'll notice a section dedicated to online and mobile banking. This feature is crucial for efficiently managing your accounts on both desktop and mobile devices. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the options available under this section. When you're ready, click on the Online and Mobile Banking link. This step is essential as it opens up an array of tools and resources that will help streamline your banking experience. Next, focus your attention on the Customer Service link. This is your go-to resource for resolving any issues or questions that might arise as you navigate through the site. Click on the Customer Service link to delve deeper into the support options available. Keep in mind that being comfortable reaching out for assistance can make your online banking a much smoother experience. After entering the customer service area, you'll have the option to either search their frequently asked questions or directly speak with a customer care representative. This is where you take control, deciding whether your query is